Photizo, our vision of a smart sustainability solution is one that facilitates the best of partners' technologies with our unique iCore design. With many cities globally embarking on a mission to implement smart lighting with IoT and AI as an integral part of the system, iCore is developed to allow a seamless integration such that smartness does not compromise with the beauty of the space. iCore Smart Pole provides a robust infrastructure to implement smart sensing, connectivity, remote management on a unified IoT platform. It supports the various communication networks like 5G, 60 GHz wireless, NB-IoT, and more. All these can be interconnected to form a robust backbone for smart cities and, most importantly, a sustainable solution where current technology does not allow it to happen. Today, we are excited to join XLPoint and PlanetSpark in the virtual launch of the PlanetSpark PSX 4 and PSX 7. This high-performance edge computing solution plays an important role, not only because of its high-performance capabilities, but also its low system power consumption. This helps smart sustainability cities achieve high-performance benchmark and at the same time save precious electricity as well. PlanetSpark has shown great foresight in choosing the iCore Smart IoT Pole as a hardware platform. As we can see, the partner mix have a complete edge-to-cloud framework, thus realizing the dream of having a unified platform that can integrate and communicate seamlessly. We are excited to partner XLPoint and PlanetSpark. We believe this will bring our iCore Smart IoT Pole to the right level to meet problem statements commonly faced by smart cities implementation and will go on to power smart cities that are truly sustainable. Together, we can achieve the dream of creating a clean, green, and smart sustainable cities of the future. Thank you.